I decided to come here, urban exploration at night. Yeah, call me crazy or whatever you want, but this is something that I really wanted to do for a time ago. It's a place that actually is abandoned. I'm going to explore all the area alone for my own. Let's see if we can catch something. You see, some boxes here, nothing interesting, just things. We're lucky, I'm just going to find a rat. That's it that I'm going to find. I don't know if you can see, guys. Check it out, somebody's here inside. We never know. Seems like somebody was sleeping here. Okay. Should I have to keep waiting here for the person that who lives there? I heard some mouses here around. I saw the little tent. I thought that somebody was there inside, but it's not anyone inside. I would like to make sure there's nobody around this place. I'm gonna keep going. I would like to say that the only persons that I only walking around here, it's only him, my little doggy. Seems like he's trying to get something. He's a little bit worried or something like that. Well, guys, as you know, these kind of animals, they can perceive anything over here. So really faithful. I really love him. I love you. There you go. You're gonna go with me. What's on it? Okay. What is okay? Is you okay, baby? Okay, let me see. What's up on him? Hey, hey, baby. You okay? What's on? You listen to something? Somebody else? Let's check it out. There's nobody around here. No worry, my friend. Vietnamese people always say that. No worry, my friend. There's nobody around. It's midnight. And there's nobody around. Guys, I don't really believe in ghosts. I heard something over there. What the fucking is hell that? Whoever, I'm going to see your fucking face, okay? Hey, shut up. What the fuck is this? Show your fucking self. Oh, it's cool. It's up in that one. Oh. What's going on? Check it out. There's nobody there. Fuck. Check it out there. Inside. I got it. But I don't know what the hell is working. I don't know if this kind of stuff is like pandemic, apocalypses, or stuff like that. Let's check it out at the closet. Always interesting is the light. Okay, there's a little fridge. What's going on there? Have you seen? There's no light. I mean, I don't know who the hell there left that kind of stuff there. Interesting, actually there's no lights here around. That's right. Do you see? Fuck it. I feel like a movie star right now. What else? What is next? Like zombies or stuff like that. Sorry for the bad quality of this video, but if I really will find a ghost, I think the first thing that I'm going to do is take a picture or take a selfie with him or her. I don't know if that ghost is going to be female or male. Wow, puta! It was like a little bat, but I haven't found anything interesting.